Hello YouTube, the Two Cools 2. This is going to be a video for the snowstorm. I don't know if it's exactly a snowstorm. It's a winter storm that's in New York City from February 5th. Actually, just February 5th. Actually, I'm sorry, February 4th to the 5th, 2014. Right now it's 1:30 morning on February 5th. So it's been there's been sleet falling for about an hour now. Actually, no, maybe two hours actually. Uh, yeah, and so let me actually take a look at the window. So I've been hearing it, but I didn't take a look. Wow, yeah, there's a lot of there's a layer of snow and sleet outside right now. And so let's take a look at the radar here. Right now it's 34 in Brooklyn, New York. As if you don't watch my videos, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. So let's see, wind speed 40 miles per hour, 2.28 degrees, visibility 5 miles. So it looks like visibility is getting smaller and smaller. Because usually it's about 10. Tonight, excuse me. Tonight, snow accumulating 2 to 4 inches. This storm is going to be going until about 1 to 2 tomorrow. Well, you know what I mean, PM. So it's a winter storm warning. I'm gonna actually turn on the layers right now. Winter alerts. It's one of my favorite radars. Interact with it. It's called a telecast. So here I'm gonna press play on this timer. It's gonna go intervals of 2 hours. First time around, I'm gonna say what hour it is, and the second time you guys just watch. Okay. Let's see, 1:30. It's not loaded. I'm gonna let it replay because it looks like it lagged. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8. And by then you see the storm is already cleared. So right now let's play it again. So it looks like around 1 or 2 the storm's going to clear out. So it's going to be snow mixed with a wintry mix of like sleet, as I said. And I think I'm going to upload a short clip from my phone of the sleet right now. And yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. There's not really much else to say. I'll try to make a video in the morning because I'm hoping to close school tomorrow. I doubt it, but they gave me a new program and it's messed up. I had the wrong time schedule, I had the wrong classes, so I won't be able to get out in time. I get out very late now. I won't be able to get out in time to record. So hopefully I'll get a video in the morning. Thanks for watching YouTube. Stay tuned. Next few minutes I'll upload the other video and check out my other videos. Stay tuned for updates. Bye bye.